Reminders of Him by Colleen Hoover. Colleen Hoover's novel Reminders of Him is a poignant exploration of redemption, forgiveness, and the enduring power of love. This literary work invites readers into the complex world of its protagonist, Kina Rowan, as she embarks on a transformative journey, grappling with her past mistakes and the longing for a future filled with hope and reconciliation. Through its compelling narrative and richly drawn characters, Hoover crafts a story that resonates deeply with themes of human imperfection, the search for redemption, and the healing power of love. Plot summary. Reminders of Him centers around Kina Rowan, a young woman who, after serving a 5-year prison sentence for a tragic accident, returns to the town where it all began. Her primary goal is to reunite with her 4-year-old daughter, Diem, whom she has never met. However, Kina's path to redemption and reconciliation is fraught with challenges, as the community, particularly those closest to her daughter, are reluctant to forgive her past transgressions. Kina's journey is further complicated by Ledger Ward, a local bar owner and close family friend of Diem's guardians. Ledger initially views Kina with suspicion and distrust, given his protective instincts toward Diem. However, as he learns more about Kina's story and witnesses her genuine remorse and determination, his perception begins to shift, setting the stage for a complex and evolving relationship. Themes and learnings. Redemption and forgiveness, at its core, Reminders of Him is a story about redemption. Kina's journey is a testament to the human capacity for change and the power of forgiveness. The novel underscores the idea that everyone deserves a second chance, even when the past is marred by mistakes. Kina's unwavering determination to rebuild her life and make amends for her past actions serves as a powerful reminder that redemption is possible, but it requires perseverance, self-reflection, and the courage to confront one's mistakes. The complexity of human relationships. Hoover delves into the intricacies of human relationships, highlighting the complexities that arise from past grievances and the struggle to rebuild trust. Kina's interactions with Ledger and other characters in the novel reveal the challenges of overcoming preconceived notions and the importance of empathy in fostering understanding. The evolving dynamic between Kina and Ledger is particularly compelling, as it illustrates how genuine connection and open communication can bridge seemingly insurmountable divides. The power of love, in its many forms, is a central theme in Reminders of Him. Kina's love for her daughter is the driving force behind her quest for redemption, fueling her determination to create a better future. The novel also explores the transformative power of romantic love, as Kina and Ledger's relationship evolves from mutual distrust to a deep emotional bond. Through these relationships, Hoover highlights love's capacity to heal, inspire, and bring about profound personal growth. The impact of grief and loss. The novel does not shy away from exploring the profound impact of grief and loss on individuals and communities. Kina's past is marked by tragedy, and her journey is a testament to the enduring effects of loss. Through her story, Hoover examines the different ways people cope with grief, the importance of acknowledging pain, and the healing that can occur when individuals allow themselves to confront and process their emotions. Resilience and personal growth. Kina's journey is one of resilience and personal growth. Despite the numerous obstacles she faces, her determination to rebuild her life and reconnect with her daughter never wavers. Her story serves as an inspiring reminder of the strength of the human spirit and the capacity for growth and change, even in the face of adversity. Kina's resilience is a testament to the power of hope and the. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. Also hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's embark on a journey of knowledge together.